covered. From WSIL, this is News 3 at 6.
Good evening, I'm Mark Kiesling.
And I'm Julie Williams. An Illinois appellate court dismissed Governor Pritzker's school mask mandate appeal.
That means schools are no longer required to mandate masks for their students. School districts will now be able to decide on their own whether or not to require masks. You will need to check with your local school district on its policies.
And the Illinois Education Association responded to the ruling. They say, quote, the appellate court affirmatively stated that the language of the temporary restraining order in no way restrains school districts from acting independently from the executive orders or the IDPH in creating provisions addressing COVID-19. Mitigation efforts are not political. They are put in place to keep students and school staff from getting sick or from bringing home COVID-19 to loved ones. We need people to remember we are all in this together.
Governor Pritzker also responded to the court's decision today. He encouraged schools to provide a safe learning environment. The governor's office said in a statement, the governor is disappointed in the court's decision and concerned for the health of those in schools, particularly vulnerable children and adults, and the ability to continue in-person learning. The governor's office says they're working with the Attorney General to request a review of the court's decision.
And school districts in our region say the new ruling won't change much on their day-to-day operations. The initial restraining order from the beginning of the month raised more questions and conversations from parents than this latest ruling. Schools in West Frankfort encourage students to keep wearing their masks as they continue following other COVID mitigation efforts. Officials say they almost had to close in January because of a dramatic rise in COVID cases in both staff and students.
Like I said, the masking part is optional, but still doing the cleaning, still doing social distancing as best we can, still trying to be smart about this and get through the school year.
Several school districts in our area have already lifted COVID-19 restrictions. We have a full list of those on our website, WSILTV.com.